Hi,
and welcome to Trenton Free Public Library's Adult Art Club. I'm Mimi McBride,
and I'm Damaris R.
And it's March, so it's the month for St. Patrick's Day.
Yes.
So for this year, we're going to make a little gnome, a little St. Patrick's gnome, and he has his little beard and his little decorations. He's all set for St. Patrick's Day.
Yes, he has his cute beard, and he has all his like little sorceries. So you could just put him down. You could put him on a mantle. Where else could you put him? On your desk at the office.
Maybe looking out the window. That's where I put all my gnomes. The front
cute.
window has a whole bunch of gnomes. I have the one I call the winter gnome, and then we have a couple of Valentine's gnomes.
Yes.
Now we'll have a St. Patrick's Day gnome.
Yes, sounds awesome.
So for this kit, for this project, the kit is going to include a styrofoam ball that's you're going to make his head. You're going to have a whole wad of yarn for his beard, a little half wooden circle, that's going to be his nose, and then the green felt that you're going to make into the hat. We're going to give you some of these little things to decorate the hat with, and of course tacky glue.
And be provided.
This gnome was made just with tacky glue, so it does work. However, it takes a while for it to dry, so for the purposes of this video, Damaris and I are going to use hot glue. So
you could see it put together and fast, because I did put this one together.
It took hours to dry, though.
Yeah, it took forever, and then, you know, you're kind of like, oh, you want to move stuff around and you really can't. So we're giving you the option to be able to use the tacky glue that we're going to provide for you, but for those who have been with us for some time now, you should have 2 or 3 glue guns by now.
Yeah, so if you have a glue gun, or if you want to run to the dollar store and get a glue gun, you know, you're more than welcome
invest
to do
in
that.
One too.
Yeah,
it's time.
A glue gun will make this easier, but you know, the tacky glue will work too. So
yes. All right. So the first thing we're gonna do is
prepare the yarn.
No, that should be the last.
That's the last.
That should be the last, because that's the last thing on his face. What we're gonna do right now is kind of mess with the hat. So as you can see, you're provided with a square. You're gonna try your best to make it a hat. So how can we? You're gonna turn it.
Yeah, I'm just trying to roll it into
like a cone, like a ice cream cone. Yes. Yep, just like an ice cream cone, or even that kind of looks like a leaf, like a flower.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So, you know, the more you tighten it, the tighter it gets. So right now you're going to see if he fits. This is what you're going to do. You're going to put him in there. So if he fits perfectly, that's when you're going to start gluing. You could always cut this off, or you could leave it in the back. Or you could tuck it in. It's really up to you. This is your project.
And also, we were talking about this before the video. Before you stick the ball in, if you want to put some newspaper in, it'll hold its shape better.
Yes. Or tissue paper. Anything lying around.
Yep.
So because I have the measurement I want, I'm going to go in with my hot glue gun. I'm going to be fast about it, because when you're messing around with felt, you could fill it through the hot glue. Well, yeah, the hot glue, you could fill it through the felt.
Right, yeah.
Today is a backwards day for Damaris.
Today's Monday.
Yeah, I just came in. All right. So I'm going to put some glue on that tip right there. I'm going to press that. I'm going to be really careful and gentle. Alright, so I'm going to go in again. He fits super perfect in there. But I don't know. This kind of reminds me of a girl. Do I want to make a gnome that's a girl?
You're gonna make a gnome that's a girl.
I'm gonna make a gnome that's a girl, and she's gonna have a beard.
Of course.
And she's gonna look amazing. So
male and female gnomes have beards.
Beards, yeah, I know.
It's a well-known fact.
Yes, but hers are going to be braided.
Ooh,
Because
fancy.
she's a girl.
Fancy.
So, because it's a perfect fit for me, I'm going to go around and putting some glue so it could attach. I'm going to pop her right in there. Really kind of tighten her in there.
Okay, and I just tucked in my little tip to the felt, so that's how I'm going to handle that extra bit of felt.
Awesome. Oh, she's looking pretty already. I could see her already. Glue gun is not liking us. So
yeah, I love how the glue guns always have these little feet, and they never ever work.
they don't. So you guys are going to be provided just like I gave to Mimi, but I'm about to fix mine. This is the beard. So I think I'm going to give them a little extra.
Mm-hmm.
So if they want it longer, if they want it shorter, it's really up to them.
If
Their hands are bigger, it just depends. So I'm just going to keep going. I'm going to give enough. So because my hands are small, I'm just, tightening it. But when you get it, you could do it over your own hands. If you want it wider, you could do it over a book. It's really up to you. So I'm going to cut mine. Gonna come around. But you guys don't have to do this step.
But they will have to cut it, right? Because it's gonna be a wand.
Yes, it is. So after I do the knot, you'll see where my knot's at. You could tighten the knot, or you could undo it and do another knot, make them longer. I don't know, whatever you want to do. So when you find the middle, you go with your scissors and you cut it, and the beard comes to life. So just cut the rest of the little, and then fix him, trim him, because they looking kind of rough, but trust me, they're gonna look amazing, as you can see right there. You just kind of bare with all the strings, but you want it to be long. You want it to look pretty, especially that mine is going to be a girl, and I want to braid hers. Can I borrow scissors?
Oh yes.
Thank you. I'm gonna go here. This looks pretty good. I'm gonna go here. There we go. That looks pretty good. Moving the knot more in the middle. There we go.
Oops.
You could always trim it. You see how like some of my sides are longer than the other?
Yeah.
Always just trim it. It is yours. There is no perfect way. Your way is the perfect way. You are the judge of your art.
And they are going to look
Amazing.
huge.
They're going to look amazing.
All right.
So right now you started kind of like messing around with it. As you can see, mine needs a little bit of trimming. Yeah, her beard is kind of wild, so let's get her all pampered up. Let's get her pretty. There we go. All right, once you have however you want your beard, you're gonna mess around to see how you want the nose. Do you want the nose on the ball, or do you want the nose on the beard? It looks different. It gives a really different look. You see how that looks? And then look at that. It gives a different look.
Mm-hmm.
It's really up to you. There's no wrong way. Let me see how I want mine. I want her to look super cute.
Mm-hmm.
I want her to go on. I have this desk that I have right there when I go into the house. You've seen it before.
Yeah.
And I decorate it for, every occasion. And I really like St. Patty's. My boys are Irish twins.
Mm-hmm.
One of my best friends is
Mhm.
Irish. So I want to represent. Why not?
Yes.
And I love green. Green is the color of my eyes. Why not? So I'm just braiding. Mimi is looking for what place she wants to put the. Did you put the nose or did you put the beard?
No, I'm going
first?
to do the beard first.
Okay. So there's a little hint. Like if you want to do the beard, always do it in the middle part in your beard and then push the glue onto the beard. That's like a little pro tip. And then if you're braiding because you want to do a girl like me, just don't forget to do the ends. Look at that. One is shorter than the other, but it's cute. I like that it's like that. Look at that.
Oh.
It looks so cute. So I flattened mine. Oops. And I am going to put the beard on. Like that. I'm going to press it a little bit. You want to press it, especially if you're working with the tacky glue. Hold it for a little bit. Like put a show on, see something on the phone because you will be there pressing.
Mm-hmm.
You will be there pressing for a while. But it works because look, that's what's tacky. Oh, it looks so cute. Where's the nose?
I know, I haven't gotten to that yet.
Be careful working with glue. She could see it flipped on me. I'm so happy that I have it on low. Well, that's only one setting, isn't it? We're so lucky it's one setting.
It's on low and high.
At the same time.
Same time.
So, right now, you could put more glue anywhere you want for your little gnome to kind of, its beard to be at. So, I want her braids to show. That's not going to stand. No chance. Just let it go. So, I'm just gluing where I want the beard to sit. Oh, you could take it off. Because we're all learning all together. Mimi glued her face the wrong side. But because, we could fix it. Just take it off and put it on the other side.
Man, I really glued it too.
Just take your time. I'm still kind of trying to see where I want the beard to sit. And I want to be careful with my hands. I don't want to burn myself.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm seeing if it's standing too. You kind of want to mess around with that too.
Yeah, the beard is supposed to help give it some stability to stand.
And if it doesn't stand with the beard, you always go in and kind of take off a little bit of the bottom of the head. Kind of shave it off.
Slightly decapitate him
Just
little.
a little. It's because, it's a ball, so.
Right, it's going to want to roll.
But look, if you take out the beard, it won't, and we're not even done yet. And because of the back, you remember that back that I did not tuck in? Look how it makes it sit.
Oh, yeah.
It helps. We're almost there. Awesome. Take your time. We're in no rush.
That's hot.
Yep. Whenever you feel it, just roll it off. That's what happened to me with the nose.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the nose flipped on me.
Ooh.
And it was hot.
Oh, yeah, I heard you say something flipped and I wasn't sure what you were talking about.
The nose. The nose was like, no.
No, I don't want my nose.
I don't want to be able to smell. I have allergies. Look how cute it's coming out. Oh, that is so cute. All right, so you'll be provided 4 to 5 stickers. Could put other things you have around the house, but we're giving you a couple of stickers. So you pick whatever you want, Mimi. I'll pick whatever I want, and then we'll decorate and we'll show them. All right. So these stick themselves. All you do is press lightly.
Yes, and they are stickers, so that's helpful.
Yes.
All right, my dude is done.
Yes, and I'm almost done too. She is done.
Stand.
Hold on.
There you go.
There we go. There we go. There goes our gnome.
They're so cute.
Yes, look at that. All different, all unique, and all awesome.
Yep.
So I hope you have a great St. Patty's Day. You enjoy some house drinks, and some food.
Green bagels if you're into that.
Yes, or
And
sponge cake.
Sponge cake? Do they make that green?
I believe so. I remember in middle school that she
Something.
brought it green. Yeah,
Green
something
greens. And like my family will do corned beef and cabbage. So
ooh, that sounds amazing.
yes, makes the house smell great.
Yes, I hope to get a plate this year.
A wink, wink, nod, nod.
All right, guys. Be safe and have fun.
All right, and as always, we have to end our video thanking Isles for the donation from last year.
Yes, thank you.
We're still going through our projects with their donation, and we're always, very happy
thankful.
to give you guys these kits. And if you wanna,
let us know what you think about the projects. We see them flying by, especially for February. In February, there was none. There was 25.
Yeah, and they
And
ran
then,
out
like,
by the
2
middle, right?
Yeah, like in 2 weeks, they were gone. Like, so we know you like it.
Yeah. So
But
we're
you
glad
gotta
that
tell
you like
us.
it. Yeah, you could just tell us.
Yeah, don't be scared.
Put in a comment. Just
Mhm.
stop by, say hi.
Or
anything.
you could even show us pictures. We won't post them if you won't want us
Yeah.
to post them, but we would like to see them
Mhm.
to see what they look like. I know you guys have awesome ideas, so we'll like to share with you, and let's see what happens. All right.
All right. So happy St. Patrick's Day and have fun.
Bye.
Bye.